Have you ever felt like you're always the last choice, never the first pick? People pass you by and you don't even know why. Maybe that's why, deep down, I root for underdogs, the overlooked, the ones that never get the center stage, like Singhara, aka water chestnuts. Rarely celebrated, familiar, but almost forgotten. Cooked here in classic onion tomato masala, but this time Singhara takes the spotlight. Baby corn adds the crunch. And suddenly, it's not just another sabzi. It tastes almost gourmet, it's very exciting, and it's something vegetarians can look forward to beyond paneer. So this one's for the underdog in you. Full recipes and caption, try it.